In this tutorial, we will be registering as a freelancer on ElectroHire. To create a freelancer account, select Explore Work. Now fill in the rest of your details to create your account. Make sure to verify your account. In this video, we will be filling in manually. Now on this page, choose a photo that represents you. Then fill in the rest of your information. Write a bio that describes enough information about who you are and what you offer. Make sure your information here is accurate, as customers will be able to see it. It is highly recommended to fill your portfolio page. It will help customers find you and will be more likely to trust you. And that's the complete ElectroHire onboarding process.